Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're going to break down a very specific piece of gear. It's the Datavideo TP300 BK prompter kit.
Yep, and it comes bundled with that HC300 hard case.
Exactly. And the price point is about $799. The whole mission here is to see how it lets you use, a regular tablet to get a really professional on-camera delivery.
I think that's the key. For you out there doing field production, this kit really tries to solve the big headaches getting professional results with gear that's actually tough enough to travel.
Okay, so let's start with the most important part of any prompter, the glass. This one uses a 60-40 partially silvered glass.
We hear that ratio a lot.
We do. So what does it actually mean for someone setting up a shot?
Well, it's the classic trade-off. 60% lets light pass through to your camera lens, and the 40% reflects the text for the person on camera.
So there's a price for that reflection.
There is. You're going to lose a little bit of light, maybe about half a stop. It's something you just have to compensate for with your camera settings.
And to make it easier, they've got these little red and green stickers on the glass, right?
Yeah, which I actually really appreciate. It just makes it foolproof. You know exactly which way it's supposed to face the camera. No guesswork.
Speaking of no guesswork, let's talk compatibility. It takes iPads, it takes Androids, but the size limits are pretty strict.
Oh, very strict. The cradle is adjustable, but your tablet has to be between 4.1 inches and 7.8 inches, not a millimeter more or less.
Okay, and it's built for smaller cameras, DSLRs, that kind of thing.
Exactly. Small to mid-size camcorders, DSLRs, and they include these two little riser blocks.
To get the lens centered in the glass.
That's all they do. It's a simple but really crucial feature to make sure your alignment is perfect, no matter your camera's height.
Right, and the whole frame just attaches to a standard tripod plate. But it has two configurations, one of which is a little unusual.
You mean the below the lens mount?
Yeah. Why would you ever want to mount the prompter below the camera?
It's actually a fantastic option for certain shots. Say you're doing a wide, high-angle master shot. Mounting it below keeps the prompter out of your frame, but still gives the talent a sight line to the text. It allows for much more dynamic shots.
That makes sense. So once you're all set up, what's the effective reading distance?
They say it's about 9 feet or 3 meters.
That feels a little limiting, no? If you're in a bigger studio, maybe?
You'd think so, but it's not really about the tech. It's about human eyes. Any further than 9 feet, and you start to see the talent's eyes physically moving side to side as they read.
And that breaks the illusion.
Totally breaks it. So that 9-foot limit is really a physiological one, not a technical one.
Okay, here's a big technical constraint, though. The remote.
Yes, the remote control.
It's the only way to operate the scroll speed, but it is completely locked to their free DV prompter software.
It is. That's the trade-off. You're in their ecosystem. The software is free, but you can't use any other prompter app with this remote.
But you do get connection options.
You do. You can connect it via Bluetooth, or you can use the wired cable they include, which is also about 9 feet long. The remote itself runs for about 3 to 6 hours and recharges in 90 minutes.
Okay, so let's get back to that $799 price. A big part of that value has to be the HC300 hard case.
Oh, absolutely. This isn't just padding. This is essential gear for anyone working outside of a studio. We're talking shock-proof, dust-proof.
Vibration-proof, sealable for moisture. It even has a pressure release valve for flying.
It's designed so you can throw it in the back of a truck and not worry. It keeps the entire kit safe.
And there's that one ingenious detail that I think just seals the deal.
The foam.
The foam. You take the pre-cut foam insert from the original shipping box.
And it fits perfectly inside the hard case.
No cutting, no fuss.
Yeah.
It's just immediately ready for the field. It's such a smart, simple idea.
It really is. At the end of the day, this whole kit is about bridging that gap between the consumer tech you already own on your tablet and professional-grade durability.
Which brings us to our final thought for you. That remote control being locked to the DV prompter software. If you're a producer planning a big production, maybe with multiple kits, is that dependency a good thing or a bad thing?
That's the question.
Is the free software a powerful tool that standardizes your workflow across all your teams? Or is it a major constraint that stops you from using other, maybe better prompter apps down the line?
A powerful tool or a creative trap? Something to think about before you invest.